Did you know that after the age of 50, we lose up to 3% of our muscle mass every decade? And what's worse, leg weakness is one of the main causes of falls, which lead to serious fractures and even loss of independence. But the good news is that there are powerful foods that can help strengthen your legs, improve mobility, and ensure a more active and healthy life. In today's video, you will discover the top 5 foods that every senior should eat to have strong legs and avoid pain and cramps. Stay until the end because the last food will surprise you. And take advantage, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. 1. Eggs. Let's start with a food that you probably already have in your fridge. Eggs. Yes, this simple and affordable food is a true superfood for strengthening the legs of the elderly. But why? First, eggs are a complete source of protein. This means that they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs to repair and maintain muscles. After the age of 50, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Including eggs in your diet helps combat this loss, keeping your legs strong and reducing the risk of cramps and weakness. In addition, eggs are rich in vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for muscle and bone health. Vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium, which is essential for efficient muscle contractions. Studies show that elderly people with vitamin D deficiency have more cramps and muscle pain. And guess what? Egg yolks are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D. But there's more. Eggs also contain vitamin B12, which protects nerves and improves communication between the brain and muscles. This is especially important for older people, who often suffer from tingling and cramps due to nerve problems. Eat 6 to 7 eggs a week. If you have high cholesterol, opt for egg whites, which are rich in protein and low in fat. An omelet with spinach for breakfast is a great way to start the day with strong muscles. 2. Banana. The second food on our list is the banana, a simple but incredibly powerful fruit for strengthening the legs of seniors. But why? Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral essential for muscle contraction and fluid balance in the body. When potassium levels are low, muscles are more vulnerable to cramps and weakness, especially in the legs. In addition to potassium, bananas also contain magnesium, which helps relax muscles and prevent spasms. And let's not forget vitamin B6, which improves nerve function and energy production. For seniors who suffer from night pain, eating a banana before bed can be a natural and effective solution. Consume 1 banana a day, preferably for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. If you have diabetes, combine a banana with a source of fiber, such as oats or nuts, to avoid blood sugar spikes. 3. Nuts and seeds. The third food on our list is nuts and seeds, true nutritional treasures for seniors. They are rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps. They also contain healthy fats, such as omega-3, which improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation in the legs. Nuts such as almonds, chestnuts, and seeds, such as pumpkin and chia, are also sources of potassium and protein, which help keep muscles strong and functioning properly. For seniors who suffer from pain and stiffness in their legs, including a handful of nuts and seeds in their diet can make all the difference. Consume a handful of nuts and seeds a day, preferably as a snack or added to salads and yogurts. Avoid salty or processed versions to maintain the health benefits. 4. Fish. The fourth food on our list is oily fish, such as salmon, sardines, and tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3, a type of healthy fat that reduces inflammation in the joints and improves blood circulation. For seniors who suffer from leg pain and muscle stiffness, omega-3 is a true ally. In addition, oily fish are sources of vitamin D, which strengthens bones and helps with calcium absorption. They also contain high-quality protein, essential for muscle maintenance and repair. Including oily fish in your diet can help prevent cramps, pain, and even joint diseases such as arthritis. Try to eat oily fish at least twice a week. Choose grilled, baked, or boiled preparations, avoiding fried foods to maintain the health benefits. 5. Dark green vegetables. The fifth and final food on our list is dark green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. These vegetables are true superfoods for seniors, as they are rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, nutrients essential for healthy bones and muscles. Calcium strengthens bones, preventing fractures and osteoporosis, while magnesium helps relax muscles and prevent cramps. Vitamin K improves calcium absorption and contributes to cardiovascular health. For seniors who want to keep their legs strong and avoid pain, including dark green vegetables in their diet is a powerful strategy. Consume at least one serving of dark green vegetables per day. They can be added to salads, soups, smoothies, or stir-fries. Try a spinach salad with walnuts and low-fat cheese for a nutritious snack. And we've reached the end of our video, but not the end of your journey to stronger, healthier legs. Today we saw that small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your quality of life. As a reminder, 1. Eggs to repair and maintain muscles. 2. Bananas to replenish potassium and prevent cramps. 3. Nuts and seeds to improve circulation and relax muscles. 4. Oily fish to reduce inflammation and strengthen joints. 5. Dark green vegetables to protect bones and muscles. These foods are affordable, delicious, and, most importantly, powerful allies for your health. And remember, it's not enough to know, you have to take action. Start including these superfoods in your diet today and feel the difference in your legs and your mood. And if you liked these tips, like this video and share it with someone who could also benefit. Take care of your legs. Take care of your health and live each day with more energy and independence. Until the next video.